Passive income ideas you can start with $0. Earn while you sleep. Welcome to Online Academy, your one-stop destination for financial freedom, online business strategies, and personal growth. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: passive income ideas you can start with $0. Yes, that's right. You don't need to invest any money up front to start generating income passively. Imagine waking up in the morning and realizing that while you were sleeping, your bank account was growing. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Well, it's more than possible. It's a reality for countless people, and today we're going to show you how you can achieve the same. Whether you're just starting or you're looking to diversify your income streams, we've got ideas that fit every skill level and interest. 1. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you share. First on our list is affiliate marketing, and it's one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income with zero upfront costs. The concept is simple: you promote products or services, and whenever someone buys through your referral link, you earn a commission. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have a blog or a huge social media following, so how can I get started? Well, the good news is, you don't need a massive audience to make this work. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale allow you to get started quickly, even with just a handful of followers. Start by finding products or services you genuinely believe in. Share these on your blog, YouTube channel, or even in your everyday social media posts. The key to success here is building trust with your audience, so always be authentic. Now, once you've created the content, it can live on forever, making affiliate marketing the perfect set it and forget it strategy. Each time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Over time, as you create more content, your affiliate income can grow exponentially. As your audience grows, so will your affiliate earnings. And what's really exciting is the scalability. There's virtually no limit to how much you can earn. Some top affiliate marketers are making six figures a month, and it all started with sharing a single link. 2. Print on demand. Turn your creativity into cash. Do you have a creative streak? Maybe you've always been good at sketching or designing, but you didn't know how to turn that into a source of income. With print on demand, you can. Platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printful allow you to upload designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, without any need to buy inventory or manage shipping. When someone buys your product, the platform prints the design and ships it to the customer. You earn a cut of the sale, without lifting a finger. You might be thinking, but I'm not a professional designer. The good news? You don't have to be. Free tools like Canva make it super easy to create professional-looking designs, even if you're a beginner. Start with something simple, like a catchy quote or minimalist art, and upload it to multiple platforms. Over time, as more people discover your designs, you could be earning passive income from designs you created months, or even years, ago. Imagine this: a single design that you upload today could keep earning you money for years to come. You don't have to worry about the logistics, just focus on creating unique, interesting designs. And the best part? The market is global, so there's always someone out there looking for the next great design. 3. YouTube ad revenue. Monetize your passion. Visual. A YouTuber filming a video, uploading it, and enabling ad revenue, followed by scenes of viewers watching the content. Let's talk about YouTube ad revenue. YouTube is an incredible platform for building a passive income stream, and guess what? It's completely free to start. If you love sharing your thoughts, reviewing products, or teaching skills, YouTube could be the perfect platform for you. After reaching the required 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your content with ads through YouTube's partner program. And here's the beauty of YouTube: there's a niche for everyone. Whether you want to create tutorials, lifestyle vlogs, or even faceless videos like animation or voiceovers, you can find success. The best part? Once you've created your videos, they're out there, continuing to generate ad revenue for as long as people keep watching. It's the definition of passive income. And don't forget, you can supercharge your passive income by combining ad revenue with affiliate marketing and sponsorship deals. Many successful YouTubers also sell merchandise or digital products directly through their channel. The key is consistency. Build a library of valuable content, and your passive income will continue to grow over time. 4. Selling digital products. Share your knowledge for profit. If you have knowledge, expertise, or even a unique skill set, you can turn that into income by creating and selling digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a set of templates, digital products are a fantastic way to earn passive income. And the beauty of it? You only need to create the product once, and it can sell indefinitely. Think about it: what skills or knowledge do you already have? Maybe you're an expert in personal finance, marketing, or fitness. You can package that knowledge into an ebook or an online course and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once it's up and running, people can purchase your product while you sleep. Many entrepreneurs find that selling digital products is not only a great source of passive income but also a stepping stone to building a personal brand. As your audience grows, you can expand your product offerings, increasing your passive income streams. The potential is limitless. 5. Blogging with ad revenue and sponsored content. Do you love writing or sharing ideas? Blogging can be an excellent way to earn passive income over time. With ad revenue from platforms like Google AdSense and sponsored posts, you can generate a steady stream of income just by sharing valuable content with your readers. Starting a blog takes time and effort up front, but once it's established, the income is largely passive. You can earn money from ads, affiliate links, and even sponsorships from brands looking to reach your audience. And if your blog ranks well on search engines, it can bring in visitors for years, allowing your passive income to keep growing. Many successful bloggers combine ad revenue with selling digital products and affiliate marketing to create multiple income streams. The key is finding a niche that you're passionate about and creating content that provides real value to your audience. Over time, this can snowball into a powerful source of passive income. 6. Dropshipping, a business without the inventory. With dropshipping, you can start an online business without ever having to handle inventory. How? You create an online store, list products, and when someone makes a purchase, your third-party supplier handles the shipping directly to the customer. It's a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business. Thanks to platforms like Shopify and Oberlo, getting started is easier than ever. You don't need to invest in stock up front or worry about storage, just focus on marketing and customer service. Over time, as your store grows, the income becomes more passive, with orders and shipments happening behind the scenes. As your dropshipping business gains traction, you can use automation tools to streamline the process even further. Many successful dropshippers use targeted advertising and email marketing to scale their business to 6 or 7 figures, all while keeping things largely passive. 7. Stock photography, get paid for your photos. If you enjoy photography, stock photography could be the perfect passive income opportunity for you. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to upload your photos and earn a commission every time someone downloads them. And you don't need to be a professional photographer to get started. Simple photos of everyday objects or scenes can do really well. The more photos you upload, the more opportunities you have to earn passive income. And as your portfolio grows, so do your earnings. Some photographers even make a full-time income from stock photography alone, and the beauty is, you upload once, and the photos keep earning for years. So there you have it, 7 passive income ideas you can start with $0. From affiliate marketing and blogging to dropshipping and stock photography, the opportunities are endless. Remember, building passive income takes time and dedication, but with consistent effort, you can create a system where you're earning money around the clock. The best time to start is now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip from Online Academy. We're here to help you unlock the door to financial freedom and success. Until next time.